Hello. Today we will discuss about the what is currency. So, currency. In exchanging goods and services, we need a common denominator to value the good and services. A currency acts as an intermediary and is necessary to perform a common denominator. So, what is the meaning of currency? Currency serve as a mean of exchanging more commodities and services money in the form of paper coins issued by a government and expected as face value is common as currency. So in goods and services were exchanged directly from other goods and services, currency has replaced as the primary meaning of exchanging goods and services in the modern world. So, valuation of money, unlike the old coin that were made of previous metals, most money today have no value on its own. Still, it has value as the central bank guarantee it. Representative money means that each coin or bill can be exchanged for a certain amount of a good. In the year after World War II, and central banks for all over the world could pay the US government $35 for an ounce of gold. In other words, the paper money was backed by real metal and could be exchanged for it legally if someone wants to. Exchange rate strategy. Technically, the currency is physical money. However, in the financial markets, currency are the unit of account for national economies and the exchange rate are determined by the market factors. Because business take place across borders, people often need to buy a foreign country. There are two main ways for government to handle this situation. The first choice is to set a fixed exchange rate. The government sets the exchange rate between its currency and a major world currency like the US dollar or the euro. So, to keep the exchange rate stable, a currently central bank either buy or sells the currencies. The main goal of a fixed exchange rate is to make people feel safe, especially if a country financial system is not as advised as those of countries. Investors gains confidence when they know exactly how much to, of the currency can they get. So, causes of inflation. Currencies are used by most of the world's major economies today since they are not tied to anything real. Government can make new money when they have trouble paying their bills. This gives more options for dealing with problems, making it possible to spend too much. Hyperinflation is a biggest danger for making too much money. Each currency unit is worthless when there are more of them. Moderate inflation is usually safe, but unchecked devaluation can make it much harder for people to buy things. If annual inflation is more than 5%, each person's saving will be worth 5% less than the year before. Assuming that do not earn any interest, it gets hardest and harder to keep up the same level of living. Because of this, central bank in developing countries usually try to stop inflation by taking money out of circulation when the currency value drop too much. Most central banks agree that some inflation is good. Most developed countries believe 2% inflation is to be good, and developing countries like India believe 4 to 6% inflation is good. Thank you.